200 miles northeast of Aberdeen, a key part of the North Sea's energy infrastructure, nears its final chapter. Gryphon, the first purpose-built FPSO in the North Sea, has been in operation since 1993. After more than 30 years, it's about to be decommissioned.
It's come to the end of its life, it's getting decommissioned, it needs to be sailed in. Our job at DeepOcean is that we need to fully disconnect the subsea infrastructure to allow that to happen.
The operations span multiple wells across the Gryphon field, each requiring precision and planning.
There are 32 trees to disconnect subsea with Gryphon field. DeepOcean will be doing some barrier testing, then there'll be the disconnection. Some of the lines will be flushed via a flushing plug. That'll be into the flexible flow line. There will be chemicals injected into the line to ensure that the line is clean enough.
Once we've had that water gap and we've done the disconnections, which is kind of normal decommissioning, the tricky bit is then installing a blind flange to have a pressure retaining envelope for that tree, and it's the tooling involved in that is the really tricky bit of how you do it, because it's normally reserved for divers.
But DeepOcean's approach is different.
DeepOcean project team, they have designed new tooling and made this diverless that fits onto these trees.
The team is using a remotely operated vehicle support vessel equipped with highly advanced ROVs.
We are trying something new. It's a big challenge. There are some access points that are not quite easy to get to with ROVs.
The design of the tooling to allow you to have access to get into all these different work sites that we have. Many different trees, different generations of trees. We have to get in there. There's clashes with metal, steelwork structures, control umbilicals in the way.
To make diverless operations possible, DeepOcean designed a new set of bespoke tools in-house.
The unique tooling that we've developed in-house, we've come up with this solution that will enable us to complete the project without the divers.
It's been a fast-paced project, and we've done a lot of testing to sort out all of the small issues to get the tool to work out smoothly.
We had to design tools, different designs of tools that would suit different areas depending on whether you're going to be disconnecting at the flange or at the seabed, or if you need more access, or you can have a hydraulic version. All this had to be considered in the tooling design.
The benefit? Increased safety and greater efficiency.
You don't have the costs involved with the DSV, you're not dealing with human beings. Also, it takes away a lot of the risk that's involved by having a remotely operated vehicle doing the task.
I think DeepOcean, they have a really good can-do attitude. They always find a solution together with their brilliant design department.
The suite of tooling that they've come up with for this particular task over many months with collaboration and a lot of hard work is, we think, quite exceptional.
They've come up with a tool. They've also been brave enough to go ahead, I think, and try and implement a new way of working. They've got the experience of the people that work for them over many, many years, and they've proven time and time again that they've accomplished big projects and they've delivered on everything.
The work continues as the Gryphon field moves towards full decommissioning.
So next steps, once we've completed this campaign of well disconnections, we'll go into completing the recovery of the risers. Then the very final stage is the disconnection of the mooring lines, and that allows the Gryphon FPSO sailed into port for its final decommissioning and the completion of the project.
From design to execution, it's been a team effort. The Gryphon decommissioning project is a technical milestone and a source of pride.
I've done this job as a diver. Never once in my life would I imagine that it would be done by remotely with an ROV. To see it in action is very, very impressive.
Coming together and collaborating together has been an experience, and it does help. It makes the job work.
Innovation, safety, precision. The Gryphon decommissioning isn't just a job, it's a benchmark.